Greetings everyone, my name is Saifee. Today I will be presenting to you a Gori dish known as Patra Ni Biryani. This forgotten recipe once was the pride of the royalty kitchens of Gujarat for over 200 years, but today it has been reduced to the status of being a family recipe. So to ensure that the world knows about the delights of the Gori cuisine, today I bring you this recipe. So without much further ado, let's begin. Of regular chicken. This goes back to the tradition when cuts of meat were not easily available to the lower classes. So what they would do, whatever trimmings they would find, they would collect it and put it together as minced meat. And therefore that is how it became the tradition of using minced meat instead of regular cuts as in other biryani. These are the patras made from colocasia leaves, besan, as well as other ingredients such as jaggery and tamarind. This balances out the flavors in the spicy flavors of the masala. The people or the subjects who were not able to afford expensive vegetables were used putting such kind of things in the biryani. Garnish it with caramelized onions and saffron milk and leave it for dum on a slow flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after shutting off the gas, we cannot open the handi directly. We have to allow it to cool for further 5 minutes so all the flavors and the vapor has time to settle back into the rice and the masala. After the dum, you can serve the biryani and garnish it with mint leaves, and you can also serve it along with piyaz ka raita.